What is PN junction? That we have explained last time. When P-type semiconductor material is suitably joined with N-type semiconductor material, the junction form is called as the PN junction. That is, we can now explain about depletion layer. Now here we have the P-type material that we can see here. In P-type material, majority carriers are holes. These are indicated here. बघा आपण या ठिकाणी दाखवलेले आहेत मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर्स पी टाइप मध्ये काय आहेत होल्स आहेत होल्स आर द मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर्स दॅट वी कॅन शो हिअर दिस इज पी टाइप मटेरियल and then we can have n-type material. In case of n-type material, majority carriers are electrons that we have shown here. बघा इथे आपण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दाखवलेले आहेत majority carriers. This is n-type material. And when this p-type material and n-type material now suitably joined here, the junction is formed. Now here at this junction, then we see here, it is the hole which is positively charged that we have considered earlier. And here, these are the electrons here. बघा हा इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे आहे आणि हा होल आहे. इलेक्ट्रॉन वरती आपल्याला माहिती आहे की निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आहे. And that's why there is the tendency of this electron to cross this junction and combine with this hole and neutralize it. That we can see here what happens here. The electron cross the junction that we can see here. बघा इलेक्ट्रॉन ने जंक्शन क्रॉस केलेलं आहे त्या ठिकाणी. And what happens here? What we can see here. इथला जो इलेक्ट्रॉन होता बघा आधी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे निघून गेला आणि इथे त्या होलला त्याने न्यूट्रलाइज केलेला आहे. And that's why what happens here, here we have left the positive charge and here we have the negative charge. म्हणजे इथला इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडे निघून गेला त्यामुळे इथे काय झाला पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज बिल्ड झाला. Now similarly here, this second electron that we can see here, and what happens here, it neutralizes to the hole there. बघा या ठिकाणी. Again I can see here. What happens here? The electron goes there in p region and neutralizes the hole there. Similarly, we can see also about this electron. बघा हा इलेक्ट्रॉन सुद्धा आता क्रॉस करेल जंक्शन आणि याला न्यूट्रलाइज करेल. See here, this electron then cross the junction and neutralize this hole, and that we can see here the negative charge is built here on the p side of the junction and positive charge is built on the n side of this junction here. बघा या बाजूला निगेटिव्ह चार्ज बिल्ड झालाय आणि या बाजूला पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज झालाय. Then what happens? Further diffusion of the electrons and holes are prevented here. बघा इथला इलेक्ट्रॉन if this electron tend to cross the junction, then the negative charge which is already built here, that does not allow the electron to enter into the p region here because of repulsive forces here. There is repulsion between like charges that is known to us. And that's why the carrier diffusion is prevented here in this layer here. And this layer, बघा या ठिकाणी जे लेयर फॉर्म झालेला आहे बघा आता या ठिकाणी. This layer is known as depletion layer. या लेयरला काय म्हणू आपण डिप्लेशन लेयर. द लेयर फॉर्म ऍट द जंक्शन. बघा हे एवढं लेयर फॉर्म झालेलं आहे. That we can see here. The layer form at the junction. कशामुळे फॉर्म झालंय? Due to recombination of electrons and holes. And this layer is known as the depletion layer. Also, you have seen there is a negative charge that creates the potential. Here is the positive charge that also builds the positive potential. And hence, the potential is developed across the junction, and that potential does not allow the carriers to cross the junction that set up the barrier here, and hence it is known as the barrier voltage. म्हणून आपण त्याला काय म्हटलं, potential barrier किंवा barrier voltage. It does not allow the carriers to cross the junction, and therefore the height of the potential barrier that we can see here. बघा येथे या दोन महत्वाच्या गोष्टी आहेत, एक म्हणजे डिप्लेशन लेअर अँड अनदर वन इज द पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर हियर. Potential is developed across the junction which does not permit the carriers to cross the junction, and that is known as the potential barrier here. Now let us see about the forward biasing then. मग आपण फॉरवर्ड बायसिंगचा इथे विचार करू. व्हॉट इज फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग? फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग साठी आपण काय करतो बघा, पी टाइप रिजन आहे आणि हे एन टाइप रिजन आहे, अँड हियर वी कॅन शो द डिप्लेशन लेअर. इथे आपण डिप्लेशन लेअर दाखवलेली आहे, अँड हियर वी हॅव द पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर ऑलरेडी वी हॅव सेटअप देअर. हे पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर असेल. फॉर दी फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग, पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ द बॅटरी इज कनेक्टेड टू पी रिजन. बघा हे जोडलं आपण या ठिकाणी, आणि निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ द बॅटरी इज कनेक्टेड टू एन रिजन. Here this is positive terminal of the battery, and here it is negative terminal of the battery. सिंपल आहे एकदम. PPNN पॉझिटिव्ह फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग साठी काय करायचं आहे, पी रिजन इज कनेक्टेड टू पी रिजन, एन रिजन इज कनेक्टेड टू निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ द बॅटरी. अगेन आय कॅन रिपीट इट हियर. फॉर फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग, positive terminal of the battery is connected to P region, and negative terminal of the battery is connected to N region here. And in this way, the junction is forward biased here. Under the influence of forward biasing, then what happens here? बघा फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग मध्ये काय होणार आहे या ठिकाणी, that we can show here it again. Now here, this is the situation when there is no external voltage, that we can see here. External voltage is 0. In that case, the potential barrier, height of the potential you can see here. And the depletion layer you can also see. Now we can apply the potential here. In this case, what happens here? Here this positive terminal that supplies of positive charges. Here negative terminal that supplies negative charges. These are electrons here. Now, in this case, suppose this electron comes here. बघा इथून हे इलेक्ट्रॉन येत आहेत, and they can push forward the electrons there. बघा या ठिकाणी हे सिच्युएशन you can see here, observe it. The electron are pushed forward and forward here. This here, this electron comes here. बघा या ठिकाणी हा इलेक्ट्रॉन आलेला आहे, and in this way we can see here the depletion layer is decreases. बघा डिप्लेशन लेअर काय झाली, कमी झालेली आहे या ठिकाणी, एवढी झाली आता समजा इलेक्ट्रॉन आले. And then again further, the supply of electron is continuous here, and that's why we can see here the height of potential barrier is also reduced here, that we can see here. Here when the no external voltage is applied and when the external voltage is applied here. Now in this way, the electrons are now then here, the depletion layer is almost removed here, and the potential barrier is also decreased, and that's why the electrons are flowing here. You can see here external wire मधनं तुम्हाला इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होताना दिसतात. You can see here the electrons are flowing here through the external wire. You can see here. Now What happens under the influence of forward biasing? Under the influence of forward biasing, the potential barrier is reduced. Potential barrier is decreases here. And the resistance of the PN junction is decreases. And hence the current flows through the junction. That is here, when the PN junction is forward biased, in that case, the current conduction is allowed here, or current flows through the junction. Now then we can see about the reverse biasing here. Now here is our PN junction. In P-type material, as already we know, majority carriers are holes. In N-type material, majority carriers are electrons. That we know already here. Now here, the depletion layer is formed here, as well as potential barrier is developed here when the no external voltage is applied. बघा, एक्सटर्नल व्होल्टेज आपण अप्लाय केलेला नसताना या ठिकाणी हाईट ऑफ द पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर यू कॅन सी हियर. बघा या ठिकाणी दाखवलेली आहे. डिप्लेशन लेअर इज फॉर्म हियर या ठिकाणी. आता रिव्हर्स बायसिंग साठी आपण काय करणार आहे? फॉर रिव्हर्स बायसिंग, पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ द बॅटरी इज कनेक्टेड. नाउ सी हियर, sorry, this is not the positive terminal. Sorry for it. Here this is negative terminal of the battery. That we can make it correct. This is negative terminal of the battery is connected to P region, and positive terminal of the battery is connected to N region. फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग साठी आपण PPNN घेतलं होतं, त्याच्या उलट करायचं या ठिकाणी. निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ द बॅटरी इज कनेक्टेड टू P region. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to N region for the forward biasing. Sorry, for reverse biasing here. Now then, see here, what happens under the influence of reverse biasing? In this case, the electrons are attracted towards these positive charges here, and the holes are attracted towards the negative charges. And that's why what happens here, holes and electrons are moving away from the junction. Electrons are moving in this direction, see here, and holes are moving in this direction. Holes या बाजूला जातील, that we can see here, and electrons are moving in this direction. They are moving away from the junction. They are moving away from the junction, and that's why we can see here the depletion layer is increases. Depletion layer काय झाली या ठिकाणी? वाढलेली आहे बघा. And the height of the potential barrier is also increases here. That we can see here. बघा, when there is no external voltage, you can see. And when the external voltage is applied, the height of the potential barrier is increases. Then we can summarize here, under the influence of reverse biasing, what happens? The height of the potential barrier is increases. What happens? The height of potential barrier is increases. Potential barrier increase होते हैं. The resistance of the junction is increases. Resistance also increases. आता रेजिस्टन्स वाढला म्हणजे करंट कंडक्शन पॉसिबल होईल का या ठिकाणी? कॅन इट अलाउ द करंट टू फ्लो थ्रू इट? नो. Carriers are not crossing the junction. Carriers are moving away from the junction. And therefore, in this case, no current is detected. There is no current flow through the junction. या ठिकाणी करंट कंडक्शन पॉसिबल होणार नाही अंडर द इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑफ रिव्हर्स बायसिंग. तीन गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या या ठिकाणी. रिव्हर्स बायसिंगच्या वेळेला काय होतं या ठिकाणी? पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर इज इन्क्रीजेस, resistance is increases and no current flows through the junction. म्हणजे फक्त तुमच्या लक्षात येत असेल फॉरवर्ड बायसिंगच्या वेळेलाच फक्त त्या ठिकाणी करंट कंडक्शन पॉसिबल आहे. रिव्हर्स बायसिंगच्या वेळेला करंट कंडक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल द्या. म्हणजे पीएन जंक्शन ज्या वेळेला फॉरवर्ड बायस असेल त्यावेळेला तो ऑन राहील आणि पीएन जंक्शन ज्या वेळेला रिव्हर्स बायस असेल त्यावेळेला तो ऑफ राहील. म्हणजे तो एक स्विच म्हणून सुद्धा या ठिकाणी आपण युटिलाइज करू शकतो. इट इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्विच हिअर. फॉरवर्ड बायस झाला म्हणजे ऑन, रिव्हर्स बायस झाला म्हणजे ऑफ असेल त्या ठिकाणी. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी द VI कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द पीएन जंक्शन. तर V म्हणजे व्होल्टेज, I मीन्स करंट. आपण त्यातलं पोटेन्शियल व्हेरी करू आणि करंट मध्ये काय चेंजेस होत आहे दॅट वी कॅन सी हिअर अँड वी कॅन स्टडी द रिव्हर्स फॉरवर्ड as well as reverse characteristics of the PN junction diode here. The circuit arrangement is here like this. Here we have the potential provided here and the potential can be varied here. That's why this complete arrangement form the potential divider arrangement. The circuit arrangement is like this. That you can see here. Here the potential is applied here. Here is the key or switch. बघा ही स्विच आहे या की म्हणू आपण त्या ठिकाणी आणि हा व्हेरिएबल रेजिस्टन्स म्हणजे दॅट वी कॅन सी हिअर पोटेन्शियल डिवायडर अरेंजमेंट. वी कॅन व्हेरी द व्होल्टेज अँड मेजर द करस्पॉन्डिंग करंट हिअर. आपण करंट या ठिकाणी मेजर करू शकतात. नाउ सी हिअर this is the circuit arrangement. Here is the switch or key that we can see. We can study the characteristics of the diode under 3 heads. सर्किट अरेंजमेंट तुम्ही आधी व्यवस्थित लक्षात घ्या. या ठिकाणी हा रिओस्टॅट आपण जोडलेला आहे, हा रेजिस्टन्स आहे. This is the voltmeter connected across the diode. Milliammeter to measure the current connected in series. मिलीएमीटर आपण सिरीज मध्ये जोडलेला आहे बघा आणि आपण हा रेजिस्टन्स इथे व्हेरी करू जेणेकरून इथे व्होल्टेज व्हेरी होईल. आता ही स्विच ओपन आहे. The switch is open. Therefore, the external applied voltage across the PN junction diode is 0. External applied voltage is 0. When the switch is closed, here we can see there is a forward biasing of the diode. We can vary the voltage and measure the corresponding currents. We can reverse the connection. Negative terminal is connected to P region and positive terminal is connected to N region. इथे आपण polarity change करू शकतो and then we can make the reverse connections here. That's why we can study the VI characteristics of the diode under 3 heads. Which are these? When the external voltage is 0. When external voltage is 0, this one. And second one is forward biasing. And third one is reverse biasing. Forward biasing, reverse biasing, and external voltage is to be 0 here. In this way, we can study these characteristics here. Now here, we can plot the graph here. Voltage is taken along the x-axis. Now see here, this is the forward voltage Vf volts. Here this is the forward current in milliampere. Here reverse voltage in volts. Here that we can have the, here this is the origin that represents 0, 0. Now here the scale is taken here like this. बघा या पद्धतीने आपण या ठिकाणी स्केल घेणार आहोत. That we can see here. Current, reverse current आपण मायक्रो एम्पियर मध्ये घेतलेला आहे बघा. आणि फॉरवर्ड करंट मिली एम्पियर मध्ये. आणि रिव्हर्स व्होल्टेज 5, 10, 15, 20 एक्सेट्रा. फॉरवर्ड व्होल्टेज 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 etc. That we can see here. Now here, what happens in this case then? Forward curve can be drawn here like this. Now here we can represent here. Here this is the origin. Initially what happens here? The current is increases very slowly. That we can see here. And then now we can see here, or we can study these characteristics, suppose for germanium diode. And for germanium diode, the breakdown voltage is 3 volt. And that's why we can make some corrections here. Now see here, the current is increases very slowly. And then from this, we can see that the current is increases linear. Here up to the point A here, that we can show. Here OB represents the forward characteristics of the diode. O2A मध्ये बघा, current is increases slowly with increase in applied voltage. And then from the point A, the current is increases linearly with increase in applied voltage. O2A region पर्यंत या ठिकाणी करंट कसं इन्क्रीज होत आहे? स्लोली. Current is increases slowly. Why is it so then? काय उत्तर सांगता येईल तुम्हाला? Why the current is increases slowly here? बघा या ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलं त्या ठिकाणी पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर is developed across the junction. In this case, what happens? The applied voltage is used to overcome the potential barrier. The applied voltage is used to overcome the potential barrier. And once the potential barrier is overcome, the current is increases linearly with increase in applied voltage. And here we can see the forward characteristics. A to B, इथे तुम्हाला त्याचं नेचर लिनियर मिळालेलं आहे बघा. Here we have seen the linear nature of the graph here. तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिनियर नेचर मिळालेलं आहे. We can see. That we can see here. Now then, here this is the forward character. सुरुवातीला O2A मध्ये करंट स्लोली इन्क्रीज होत आहे. A to B लिनियर इन्क्रीज होत आहे. लिनियर इन्क्रीज म्हणजे काय? Quantity along the y-axis is directly proportional to quantity along the x-axis here. Now what is about the reverse characteristics then? Reverse characteristics कशा आहेत डायोडच्या? Then we can see here, in case of reverse biasing, what happens? We can draw the nature of the graph will be here like this. Current is increases sharply or suddenly at some reverse voltage. Now, here this voltage is known as the breakdown voltage. याला आपण म्हणतो ब्रेकडाऊन व्होल्टेज. आणि इकडे फॉरवर्ड मध्ये जिथून तुम्हाला इथे लिनियर इन्क्रीज होत आहे त्याला आपण म्हणतो नी व्होल्टेज. वी कॅन कॉल इट एज ए नी व्होल्टेज. The forward voltage from which current increases linearly with increase in applied voltage is known as the knee voltage. And the reverse voltage at which the junction breaks down, sudden increase in current, that is known as the breakdown voltage. And in this way, we have seen here the forward reverse characteristics of the diode, as well as when the external voltage is zero. बघा परत रिपीट करू आपण या ठिकाणी. When the external voltage is zero, the potential barrier does not allow the current to flow through the junction, and that is indicated by this point over here. Here this. And when forward biasing, junction is forward biased, we get the nature of the graph will be like this here. Initially what happens from O to A, current increases slowly with increase in applied voltage. This is because the applied voltage is used to overcome the potential barrier. And then from the point A, the current is increases linearly with increase in applied voltage. Reverse voltage मध्ये बघा. When the reverse voltage is increased at some particular voltage, the junction breaks down with sudden rise in current. And that we see here the reverse characteristics of the diode. And this voltage, particular voltage, is known as breakdown voltage. Now we can repeat this definition somewhat. Knee voltage. Knee voltage is the forward voltage at which current start to increase rapidly. Breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage is the reverse voltage. या फरक लक्षात घ्या. Knee voltage forward voltage आहे आणि breakdown voltage is the reverse voltage at which the junction breaks down with sudden rise in current. Maximum forward current. The highest current that a PN junction can conduct without damage to it. It is the highest current that a PN junction can conduct without damage to it. Peak inverse voltage. ही पण definition लक्षात घ्या. It is the maximum reverse voltage that can be applied to the PN junction without damage to it. If the voltage is reverse voltage applied greater than this PIV, the junction may destroy there. And these are the important definitions for this one. Now let us see about the junction breakdown here. If the reverse bias on the PN junction is increased, a point is reached when the junction breaks down with sudden rise in current. This critical voltage is called as the breakdown voltage. The junction offers almost zero resistance in the breakdown region. There are two types of breakdown or two mechanisms for the breakdown. One is Zener breakdown and another one is avalanche breakdown. Now we can see about the Zener breakdown. If the P region and N regions are heavily doped. Doping means addition of foreign impurity. जशी impurity आपण वाढवणार तसे कॅरियरची संख्या त्या ठिकाणी वाढणार. मग आपल्याला हायली डॉप करायचं, हेवीली डॉपिंग पाहिजे त्या ठिकाणी. We have to increase the impurity here. The P-type region and N-type regions are to be heavily doped here. Now in this case, the breakdown voltage is occurred here because of the applied electric field. This applied breakdown voltage produces the electric field, and that electric field is strong enough to break the covalent bonds, thereby generating electron-hole pairs. We have seen In PN junction, P or N type material, the atoms are bonded or joined together because of covalent bonds. Covalent bond means sharing of electrons. And when the covalent bond breaks, the electron hole pairs are generated. When the covalent bond breaks, electron hole pairs are generated. That we have seen here. And that's why what happens here, the electric field causes to break the covalent bonds, and that generate the electron hole pairs. And that's why the carriers are increases here. And carrier increase झाल्यामुळे काय होईल, the junction breakdown, and that breakdown is known as Zener breakdown here. That may occur here at low voltage. Zener breakdown may occur here at low voltage. कमी व्होल्टेजला सुद्धा या ठिकाणी ब्रेकडाऊन येऊ शकतो या ठिकाणी. Do you get this? Zener breakdown here. Now then we can see about the avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown मध्ये काय होतं बघा आता या ठिकाणी. Now let us see here we have the atom. In this case, the electric field is not strong enough. But what happens? That electric field accelerate the electron. समजा हा इलेक्ट्रॉन असेल या ठिकाणी. That accelerate the electron and knock out the electron from the atom. बघा हा atom असेल, हा इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे आपण दाखवलेला आहे. Now this electron is accelerated, suppose here. And that what happens here? बघा हा इलेक्ट्रॉन याला काय करतोय, ऍटम मधनं बाहेर काढतोय. म्हणजे किती इलेक्ट्रॉन झालेत? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन झाले. आता हे जे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जे असतात हे काय करतील, हे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन परत 2 ऍटम, समजा हा एक ऍटम असेल, हा दुसरा ऍटम असेल, इथल्या इलेक्ट्रॉनला समजा हा नॉकआउट करेल. अँड देन व्हॉट वी गेट हियर, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर. अँड अगेन हियर वी कॅन सी दॅट the electron from this is knocked out, and here we get 2 more electrons. In this way, these 2 electrons causes 4 more electrons. These 4 more electrons then again causes 8 more electrons. In this way, the carriers are increased here. And as the carriers are increased, they exert the pressure or force, and that breaks down the junction. And this breakdown is known as the avalanche breakdown.